welcome back to my channel. For today's video, another Valentine's Day makeup look, and today I'm going to be doing the color purple. I thought purple would be a really cool idea to wear. So before we get into our video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because that means so much to me. And don't forget to turn on your bell notifications to be notified every time I post a new video so you won't forget an upload. So I already primed and moisturized my face. I already primed with my e.l.f. putty primer. It's my go-to primer. I'm trying to finish it up, but I already primed my face, and today's look's gonna be very simple but very cute. I had in mind, like, why not do purple, because I have this highlighter that's holographic and it's purple. It's chromatic, I'm sorry, and it's illuminating powder and it's purple, and it's the next one, and I just thought, oh my god, that'd be so cute. So it's like this purple color, and I thought that'd be really cute too, you know, as an eye look, and just like as a cut crease. That looks super cute. So it's gonna be very simple but very cute, and I'm really excited how it will turn out. I haven't envisioned how it's gonna turn out. I haven't tried this look, but I can't wait to try it. So we're gonna start doing our brows. I'm gonna conceal my under my brows with my Born This Way. Okay, boo, so I just did my eyebrows. I concealed the top of the brows with my Makeup Forever HD stick, and under my brows I did the Born This Way concealer. So now we're gonna start doing our eyeballs. So we're gonna do our eyes already. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna prime with my Pillowy base, and I'm using the shade Rumor 2 02. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my eye. I look so white. So for today's palette, I haven't used this color yet, and it's my Jaclyn palette volume 2. I did another look using this palette. I did a pink look with this palette. If you haven't watched it, I have a link down below. I have a link up here in my cards. I think it's this side. I believe it's this side. So we're going to be using the volume 2 palette, and I realized there's this pretty lavender shade in here, and it's Therapy Sesh. It's this pretty lavender color, and then right under is Not My Journey. It's this dark purple. I'm going to use the Sephora brush, number 38. So I'm going to start off with Certified, so this white bone color, just to like, just pat in my crease. So I'm going to get that and just pat it in. I'm just going to pat it in so to have a smooth base. So I'm just getting in there, and you're good to go. So now we're going to go in with Therapy Sesh. So we're going to go in the lavender color. Pretty high. So I'm going to go with that color. With Not My Journey, I'm gonna go in a little bit to see how it's gonna look. So I'm gonna go with the same brush, and I'm gonna that. Ooh, I'm scared. Okay, I'm just gonna keep it on the outer crease. Just to blend it out, go in the inner corner to help with the lavender. That's how the look came out, 2 colors. So now I think, I don't know if I'm gonna cut the crease or not. I don't know if I should. Should I cut the crease and then put this on it, or should I just put this on right away? I don't know what to do. No, I think I'm just gonna leave it on there. So shader brush, and then I'm gonna wet it. Give me a very more effective look. So oh yeah, so cute. So it really enhanced the look. It came out super cute. I'm gonna keep packing it on so you can see more of it, but oh my god, this is a life changer because it enhances a look quite well. Okay, so we are completely done with the eye look. It looks super good. I don't know if on camera it's catching it, but it's so holographic. It comes out, it can look purple, it looks lavender, pink, purple. So that's what I love, this color. Okay, so for today's foundation, I'm gonna be using Dose of Colors foundation. I do a very light because this is very a long way. So I'm gonna get my sponge. It's not wet. You can wet it if you want. So I'm gonna try with 1 point first. That's it, but I'm going to put a little bit of my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Medium Peach, because this one's a little bit darker and this one is a little bit lighter, so I'm just gonna like kind of enhance it a little bit under right here, just a little bit. I don't want to put too much concealer, but we're gonna let that sit. But I'm first gonna blend out my nose one real quick. Just a little bit, and we're gonna cream contour just a tad. I just don't want to do too much, but I'm just gonna do a little bit. And I'm gonna get my brush, my Makeup Shack T22, and I'm gonna just a light bronze. I don't want to go too ham, but yeah, see, it gives you that little of sun-kissed look, and I want that. That's what I want. So I'm just gonna, okay, love that. Okay, so sorry, my head's out of the corner. I'm like really straight up, so I'm gonna just slouch it for y'all. So that's what I want, as a really light bronze, because I'm going to still kind of bronze with my powder one, so I don't want to put too much, you know, just make myself look too like, oh girl, you got suntan. So I used the LA Pro Concealer in the shade Toast to cream contour. I want to try different shades, but I use that color. So now I'm going to get my sponge and just lightly go over so I can highlight the nose. So now we're going to go into my brush. So that's what we look like. We look super good. And just lightly under my cheeks where I cream contoured. So now we're gonna set our face. We're gonna use my Laura Mercier. This is an OG, my fave. I love this powder. So I'm gonna get my powder sponge. This is the Real Techniques pink one. It's just a pink little sponge, and we're gonna use this only for my under my eyes because this gives me a nice full coverage under my eye. I'm so sorry. My powder brush is my favorite all-time. My all-time favorite powder brush is the Peaches and Cream PC04. This is a great all-over powder. It could be a great bronzer. It could be a great blush. Any kind, because I like how fluffy it looks. So I'm gonna get a little bit on my brush, just a little light layer, and just push it in my skin. So for bronzer, I'm gonna go in with a tad bit of my butter bronzer and a tad bit of my NARS Laguna bronzer. I'm gonna go in lightly. So I'm just gonna mix them. I'm gonna see how this comes out. So I'm just gonna mix them real quick. We're done with bronzing. Love that. See how quick and easy that is. This is Melania Berry Amore 03. This is pretty baked blush. Super cute. So I'm gonna go in with my powder brush and just And this also has a glow, so it can also go as a highlighter. A light highlighter over your face if you don't want to put highlighter on your face so much. This gives you a nice glow. A little bit over my nose. Okay. Now we're gonna go put some spray on her face, to melt all the powders on her face. We're gonna melt and make it seal, so it can also look good when we put our highlight, can really stick and look so flawless. So when we're gonna put highlighter on, I want to use my chromatic one a little bit to enhance like the look, since it's a nice little highlighter. You can also use it as an eyeshadow, so you can't forget that, boost. Get some. And we're gonna put it all over the face. Oh my god. It looks super cute because of the eyeshadow is like purple, so when I have this purple highlight, it looks good. It looks good. Oh, that's so cute. I love that. If you don't want to use this as a highlight, by all means, you can just go on with any highlight you want, but this is a really pretty highlight. Yeah, so I'm using my Essence one. I'm running out. I need to go get another one or try a different one. And by all means, if you don't want to do this, you can skip this step, but I like to do it so I can know, like, okay, my falsies are not popping out. So I like to do a thin line. You don't want to be dramatic. If you want to make a wing, go for it. This will be a great look with a wing, but I'm not gonna do a wing. I'm just gonna do on my eyelash, just on the center part. So I'm just gonna put light layer of my mascara. So I'm just gonna coat one layer. And I totally forgot to put purple under my eyes. So once this mascara kind of dries, I'm going to do a little bit of purple. I'm going to go in with both shades under my eyes, and that's going to be it. I think I'm going to go back with Brianna lashes too. I'm going to use two Cocky. So with the other look I did too, I'm going to use them too, since I already cut them and I wore them only for just a quick second. So I'm just going to wait till that dries. This makeup look is very pretty. I honestly love it. I love how it came out. It's subtle but cute. It's a pop color, so I love that. I think I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Bear on my cafe, and then I'm gonna go in with my NYX Dainty Days lipstick, and I love that because it's such a good liner. I meant lipstick because it's perfect nude. Hey boo, so I'm done with my look. I did a high bun and then I pulled out some of my hairs and I just put some studs on. So now I'm just gonna put my necklace to give the finished touch. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. This is the finished touch. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Fun color to do. So if you love this color, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your bell notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to share boosts, share with your fans, your family, so other people can be inspired and do a fun, cool look like this. And yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!